Hello, and welcome to another Rich Ideas video. In this video, we will talk about how to make $1,000 per month. So, let us get right into it. Number 1. Start dropshipping. Let's start with one of the most common methods for making money online. Dropshipping's popularity is steadily expanding, according to Google Trends, demonstrating its feasibility as a means to generate money online. There's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a viable method to make money online, with success stories like how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks, or how a store owner made 6 figures selling just one product. Number 2. Experiment with print on demand. Print on demand is also becoming increasingly popular. To better monetize their creativity, graphic designers are turning to the business model to sell their designs on apparel and other things. They can generate a consistent and established brand for their company with their distinctive designs. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping in that you don't have to keep inventory or ship things out to customers. However, there are 2 minor distinctions. To begin, you can add branded labels to packages, which will help your brand stand out. Second, transportation expenses are significant, making it impossible to build a long-term business unless you charge higher prices or sell larger volumes. However, outstanding suppliers in the United States, Canada, and Europe, such as Printify or Printful, can help you get started right away and realize your ambition of starting your own clothing brand. Number 3. Profit through affiliate marketing. One of the most common ways to generate money online is through affiliate marketing. Its popularity has risen and fallen over the years, but it remains to be a reliable way to earn money online. The wonderful aspect about affiliate marketing is that you can work for almost any brand, from Shopify to Amazon to Uber to FabFitFun as an associate. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money by promoting other people's products. You can earn a commission from sales by marketing retail products, software, apps, and more if you're a skilled marketer. While a little commission may appear insignificant, remember that you may be an affiliate for multiple brands and include multiple affiliate links in a single blog post. Number 4. Create your own YouTube channel. You can make money via YouTube if others can. Ryan, a 7-year-old YouTuber who reviews products on his channel and earned $22 million in 2018, is the highest paid YouTuber. Jeffree Star, who has made more than $18 million on YouTube and has a cosmetics line that sells nearly 100 million in items each year, is another top earner. His YouTube and MySpace celebrity enabled him to leverage his clout to earn money online, in addition to his YouTube profits. To create a strong, dedicated audience, your YouTube channel should focus on a specific niche. You could, for example, make cosmetics lessons, broadcast video games, review items, teach skills, make spoof videos, or anything else you believe might be of interest to an audience. Number 5. Take on the role of an influencer. Making money online can also be aided by developing a personal brand. Cristiano Ronaldo earned $975,000 for each sponsored Instagram post in 2019. Making him the highest paid influencer in the world. While reality stars, singers, and athletes may appear to be the most powerful influencers, keep in mind that even small-scale influencers can now earn more money than they could a few years ago. To become an influencer, you must first amass a sizable following. YouTube and Instagram are the easiest sites to use for this. These sites are where many of the largest non-celebrity influencers get their first taste of fame. If you want to grow your Instagram audience, you should look into ways to obtain more Instagram followers. Number 6. Establish an online course. Sharing knowledge is one of the finest ways to generate money online. You can monetize your knowledge by developing online courses if you're an expert on a subject. You can sell your course on Udemy or on your own website if you already have a following. With online courses, some entrepreneurs can earn up to $5,000 per month. Your best bet for creating a popular and effective course is to watch other courses on the subject. Then have a look at the feedback. What are the features that people admire? And what are the features that people despise? What makes you think you can make something better than what has already been made? Concentrate on developing content that addresses the most common complaints while also emulating the positive features that people adore. The platform on which you offer your course will impact how much money you make. You don't need to do anything to promote your course if you sell on Udemy. It's almost as if you can set it and forget it. Perhaps you could market it on various blogs or your own website. If the course is hosted on your own website, however, you may wish to run advertisements to promote it. You can also create an email list so that you can keep promoting future courses to the same people. Number 7. Create an ebook. It's never been easier to publish an ebook using Amazon KDP. Simply write the ebook, format it, design an ebook cover, publish it, and promote it. I published numerous ebooks on Amazon in 2013. All but one were taken down. And while they didn't make me rich, they did bring in some revenue. To reduce the amount of labor you have to put into your ebook, you can hire a writer, a graphic designer to design the cover, or a freelancer to format it for you. It's better if you concentrate on keywords based on Amazon's most popular searches. I frequently employ the keyword tool, which helps you to discover the terms people use when searching so that you can tailor your title to them. Number 8. Create a blog. Blogging is one of the most well-known ways to earn money online. People who enjoy writing start blogs with a certain specialty in mind. A blog about procrastination, automobiles, dropshipping, toys, and other topics, for example, has a small enough emphasis to establish a loyal following but is broad enough to cover a lot of material. You may start a blog on a variety of platforms, including Shopify, delete the checkout option to avoid paying a membership as you go, and WordPress. Emphasis on extremely priced keywords with a tight focus when you first start your blog, and as you grow and dominate new spaces, extend into other but relevant categories. This will help you to gradually construct a large blog. Keep in mind that design plays a significant role in generating a positive first impression on visitors. Here are 20 blog design ideas to get you started with your new blog. Number 9. Think about freelancing. The simplest method to generate money online is to take your present 9-to-5 job and work it from home. If you're a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, or developer, for example, you may promote your services and find clients eager to pay for them online. There's also an endless variety of websites dedicated to each type of freelancing job. Freelancer writers, for example, can apply for employment on specialist online writing job boards, as well as general freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and others. If your employment doesn't offer any direct online money-making opportunities, check for other transferable abilities you may have. Number 10. Make a mobile application. If you're not a developer, you're probably feeling a little stuck when it comes to this money-making notion. Fortunately, there is a way to get an app developed without having to know how to code. Marketers are increasingly turning to freelance marketplaces to locate low-cost developers to construct apps for them. Adding your software to Google Play and the App Store will be your best option for making money with it. And contrary to popular belief, a free app can help you make more money than a commercial one. You may make money by adding adverts or premium features to a free app. Because the free software will attract a larger number of users, upselling them will be easy. So, that is all from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, kindly like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We will be back with another amazing video. Stay tuned to Rich Ideas.